What's up, guys? We're making a little bit different of a video today. Instead of a car related, like working on it video, we're actually going to go to a car meet tomorrow. We're going to an S2K meet. It's from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So we're hopefully going to be there the whole time doing photography. I'm going to make a little poster advertising my Instagram stuff for my car so people can follow and get their name written on the hood. We're going to do that tonight, and then we're going to charge the camera up. And I'm going to catch you guys back in the morning, and hopefully we can vlog the entire day. So I got this big piece of cardboard, so we're gonna cut it into like a little rectangle and try to make a little homeless sign out of it, and we're gonna put like follow at E80Bimmer or blah 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 TikTok to get name written on hood or something like that. So let's cut this up and get to writing. Okay, so that was simple enough. We got our little cardboard cut out. We'll probably flip it like this just so the edges are clean, and we'll put it like something like that. So I'm just gonna write on here really big. And for the sake of this, we'll just cut this here, and then we'll have this little sign. And yeah, so hopefully we get some follows and we can write some more names down. If you guys haven't, it will be in the description, so go follow one or the other and trying to fill this hood up. So let's go charge the camera, and then I will catch you guys in the morning. All right, so it's the next morning. We gotta go wash the car first just because it's dirty. I mean, I'm not trying to impress anybody with it, but it is also really filthy. I'll show you here in a second. So once we get the car washed, I'll probably prop you up on a tripod and just, do some B-roll of that. And then we'll get straight to the meet and hopefully get set up, get the sign on the car, and then get to shooting. So yeah. And just to show you guys, this is like how much dirt it is, because it's been like raining and like the mud's been terrible. We got the sign, we got the camera bag, with everything we need. So we're shut this and we're getting on the road. Okay, so we are at the meet. We got one S2K over there. Literally no one's here yet, so we're gonna get set up and we're gonna wait for people to come, and then I am gonna get some videos of everything. We're gonna take pictures of the day. So we're gonna get the sign out and put it on the car, and then just kind of get set up. Pictures of the first 2Ks out here. This is like an awesome shot right here. So I'm gonna throw the shots up on the screen. We got that one. We got that one. So we got a 350 over there. Still waiting for more people. We're out here at K-Stop, so it's kind of perfect that the sign's like yellow, and we got the yellow S2Ks out here. So definitely more to come. We got the sign on the car. When I get back over there, I'll show you guys, but I'm gonna snap some pics real quick, and then we'll see who else shows up. Got this little Honda Spoon sports bike. Got all the S2000s out here. Got some pretty good photos. I'm gonna throw some up on the video, kind of as I'm going here. Black S2K on bags. It's pretty clean, pretty clean. Got another Kurt's car, no bumper. So I've been here about an hour, and this is about all that's came. So I don't know if anyone's showing up, but I mean, it is still kind of early, and it's kind of cold out here, so it makes sense. The red interior is nice. But yeah, we got the little electric bike over here. He did the vinyl wrap himself, which is super cool. color matched. Here's color matched valve cover. Super freaking clean. It's a little electric scooter. So skinny. Alright, we're about to leave the meet. It's kind of cold. I'm leaving a couple hours early just because, like, this is about all that's going to come out as far as S2000s. There's supposed to be more, but it got rescheduled until today because it rained yesterday, so a lot of guys couldn't come today. I'm going to go home, edit these photos. We're going to get everything posted, and then I'm going to pop some photos that I took up on the video, and then it should be on YouTube within this afternoon or tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, so hope you guys like these type of videos. There'll be more coming in the future. I got a Beers and Bimmer meet to go to April 14th, so I'm gonna be doing this type of, you know, vlog type stuff then. I don't know if I'll have another video between now and then. We'll just have to see. But if you guys like this stuff, like, follow, subscribe, comment below if you want to see anything on this channel specifically. I'll try to get it out for you guys. But I appreciate you guys watching this because it's kind of like the first of many, so it's kind of gonna be a little rough. I'm editing on my phone as well, so but for a start, it's not bad. So hope you guys stick around until the next video. So without further ado, I'm gonna go home so I can work on editing.